Another upload of It's a Dyer thing. I'm here with Mr. Sage and Mr. Leaveview, and today is what, the 27th of October, the final ride here with BMW, Yamaha, and Yamaha. Oh, we're fairly lucky that we're actually able to get out today. It's gorgeous. It's an absolutely beautiful day here. It's 21 degrees, give or take. So the final ride. So we're going to do fairly similar to our loop, but we're not going to do the whole thing, but we're going to just mess around, right? There are some sections I want you to be up front because I want to be able to ride right up beside you when we get into Caesarea. It would be really nice. All right, let's go. We're going to go up here and across on Major Mac like we did last time. All right, I'll take the lead. We're good? You're good? I'm good. All right. Tesla, Mercedes. All right. You can take the bike away from the dirt bike away from the guy, but you can't take the guy away from the dirt bike or something, right? You guys got a lot of back roads and stuff like that, or?
We have everything.
Oh, really?
So
eh?
if you want to check it out.
Yeah. Well, we're heading in May. We're heading down to Tennessee, right? So,
Nice.
you know, we're looking at. My son really wants to go out to BC and all, right? Yeah, he wants to go out to BC and everything,
So
but
if you want to check out what we do,
yeah.
Check out. So our website is ithinkwemissedaturn.com.
Okay.
So we've charted everything in the East and West Coast.
All right.
So we are, I think we missed a turn. We're turning into, so do you know Backroads Discovery Routes, BDRs?
CDR?
BDRs.
Oh, BDR, okay.
So we
Here.
are,
It's my channel.
okay.
Can you, what I'm going to do is, because I'm not going to memorize it, right? Can you go onto my channel,
Yep.
and there's my email on there, right? And that's going to be for you because you did own an MT-07.
I was going to say,
You can send me an
I don't
email
have
or
rockin'
do a
Yamaha.
direct message to me, right?
I'll DM you.
Please, if you can.
Yeah.
Because like I said, as much as, you know, we want to get out, I mean, Canada traveling is better than the US traveling, right?
We'd
But
love to tie in with you. So my husband just became, so you know Backroads Mapbooks?
yeah.
So he just became the 6th Canadian rep for Backroads Mapbooks.
Oh shoot.
We are the only off-road reps for Backroads.
Oh wow.
And we are the new directors, I guess, at Overland Discovery Routes.
Oh yeah, please
So-
share your contact information. That would be awesome. Sweet. Okay. Well, before you go away, I gotta grab a picture with you if you don't mind, eh?
Western Canada locked, but we don't have Eastern Canada.
All right, ready? Sage, where are you? Can you get in?
Yeah.
Just come on, right? All of us. Ready? Give me a 1, 2, and 3. Awesome, girl. My name's Rob.
Good job. Nice ride. I'm Vera.
Vera.
Good to meet you.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Yeah, so you got my information. Please,
Yes,
yeah. Just
I will do the check.
say, yeah, I crossed paths with you. So how long are you here for?
I'm here until November 4th,
Oh, okay.
and then I head back to BC.
All right.
So quite
Just perfect timing, right?
Quite short-lived.
Once the crap comes here,
I was
there.
hoping to get another week or so worth of riding when I get back home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your rims are
Awesome.
like, I don't know.
He's been riding for years, all right. So yeah.
This is talking about the fact that I had no son.
Well, that's the problem. When he gets on the MT-07, he becomes a hooligan, right?
I know, right?
Where this
So,
one is
just
respectful.
This is not stock. The giant riser bars.
No, this is everything. This is stock.
Is that actually stock?
Everything is stock. Oh, what? What are you saying?
I don't have
risers.
Oh yeah, yep. This is all stuff. Yeah, this is the 2021 to 2023.
Wow.
This is what it was.
So mine was 2020, and
Yeah, so
it was
big
not-
changes.
Was not that.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you don't mind that super upright?
No, it's more comfortable, right?
Yeah.
Instead of like getting quite over it. So.
Yeah,
Stay
no.
tuned. New stuff is coming. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Such a pleasure, you guys.
All right. Be safe. All right, got to turn my headset back on. All right, was there a washroom or no? Oh, there was.
What the shit?
Huh?
There's so much
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll wait.
Oh, we'll just go up to Port Perry at the Tim Hortons. Does when it disconnects, do you hear something or what?
I will keep the thing and then press it. But I'm not.
That's super weird.
Yeah.
I can't hear you. All right, well, anyways, coming to the end of it, time to get a quick burger, as we've had quite an adventurous day today with Sage and Livio. Just where can we go? Parking lot, parking spot. I guess we're gonna go here. So, and now our headsets are constantly disconnecting.
Huh?
And it's on? Yeah, it's on. But does it do a sound or something or what? What happens?
It sounds like I'm beeping it, but everything else works.
It's so weird.
Everything works. My music, all of it. I cannot stay connected anymore.
It just kind of disconnects.
Yeah, like I got 2 seconds on a connection and it boom.
So I don't know if it's yours or mine. I don't know.
I don't know. It's hard to tell. Shit.
Well, the only thing we could do is I got the 30K at home.
This thing is dying.
Dying?
Like it's almost dead, I think.
Yeah, I've got the 30K at home, and we can try it, and if it continues to have that problem, then we know it's this one.
Yeah.
Right? So, anyways, there you go. There you have it. Let's go get a burger.
I'm done. I'm not moving anymore.
Huh?
I'm done for the day.
So what? You want to just go home, or you want to eat?
No, I'll go have a burger.
Oh, okay.
I'm not getting back on. Survive.
No.
My back hurts. It doesn't help that we were doing 160 the whole day.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about?
All right. Oh snap! Here you go. Okay, so to pay the gas, you're gonna buy me that that Big Mac?
You're gonna have to give me a sip first.
Huh?
I'm ordering them.
All right. Just no onions.
Yeah.
Oh, here, start order. Eat in.
I get it.
Big Mac.
You want a meal?
No, because I'm gonna go have supper in a couple of minutes.
No onions, right?
No onions.
That's it?
That's all.
Fuck, man, $6. That's expensive. I still
Did
owe
it-
you like 10.
Huh?
I still owe you like 10.
I know.
The gas. Because it's $6 only. Fuck, I don't even want that shit.
Get burger or what?
No, I'll get a meal. I'm not worried about the money.
Customize. Yeah, you gotta extra mayo, extra patty. Can you add buns?
No. I would, because it's the same price.
No, I'm saying could you add a bun?
Probably.
Or you can only take a bun off. Not today.
Sometimes I don't.
Huh?
Sometimes I don't.
Really?
Yeah.
You're too kind.
Not that I'm too kind, I'm just, it's against me, right? The fucking way they do it.
So let's see if I go with a burger,
A burger you can.
a hamburger, customize.
I don't think you can.
Oh, no, so you could take it off, but you can't add on.
Yeah. Well, you can, I think, just buy a bun on its own if you're on.
Well, you could take the meat off. Take it all off and just have a bun.
You know how many people just order cheese?
Just cheese.
A Big Mac, but it just comes with a square of cheese in it.
Just a piece of cheese. Could you do that?
Yes, you can. Go to a, here.
No, here, wait. I'm just gonna do a cheeseburger. I'm gonna go grab a cheeseburger.
You can have nothing.
I don't want mustard,
You don't want anything.
no ketchup, no that.
Take everything off. Everything.
I want 2 cheeses,
You want a bar?
no meat.
It's raffle.
No, you can't take. You have to have something, right?
Or you were able to take everything
So
off.
I just want 3 slices of cheese
Yeah, I got rid of that too.
and a pickle.
I stood here once and we added 1,500 Big Macs. And we printed the receipt.
Oh, all right. We're gonna go. I'm gonna go sit over there. Or what? All right. So that's it for the absolutely fantastic day of riding here with Mr. Sage and Leavey. He's gone on his way as well. We had some fun. We had some fun times. So again, thank you very much for tagging along with us here, and hopefully we definitely as we're getting into the winter months. What? You want to go that way?
I always rack. There's nobody there. There's always people there.
Oh, all right. Anyways, as we getting into the winter months now.
Either or, just go that way.
Whatever, I don't care.
I'll just go that way.
All right, we'll go that way. So, as we're getting into the winter months, the bikes are going away, but we're going to continue with the social meetups here in the Markham region through the Markham Two Wheel Tuesday group, which is a Facebook group that I founded back in 2019, and 2019 actually. My bike is dirty, eh? So, anyways, we're gonna do some stuff like go-karting and all different kinds of events throughout the winter months there on a monthly basis. So hopefully we'll be able to get some footage that way. But until next time, y'all be good, be safe, take care. Don't forget, have fun, love one another. And keep it covered.